Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well and thank you for tuning in. Today I'm actually going to be going out and seeing if I can get my headlights restored a little bit. It's not that there's any yellowing or any fading or anything going on, but there's actually some weird like soap residue and like etching that's on the outside of the lens. I'm pretty sure what had happened so long ago when it was pretty hot out, even though I was like under the shade at the car wash and everything, I was spraying like the foam gun and all that, trying to wash my car, and the soap specifically like just on the headlights only had ended up drying and leaving some sort of weird like line in the middle of the headlights, like from one side to another. So I tried like to use just like a waterless wash, some sort of like quick detailer to get that out, and that never worked at all. So today I'm actually going to be going out and using a polisher. I'm going to cut and polish the headlights, and hopefully that etching all goes away. Let me go out. I'm actually going to show you guys kind of what I'm talking about. It may be a little bit hard to picture, so let me show you what's going on. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm talking about here. This whole like line that goes all the way across my headlight, yeah, that it doesn't come off. It almost looks like plastic, like peeling plastic, but it doesn't come off if I use just like regular cleaner. So I'm really hoping that a polisher makes this go away. I'm like 99% sure this isn't on the inside, just because like most of it I can feel and some of it's like clipping. So it's on both headlights. This one too, it goes all the way across. So I'm gonna hit this with the polisher and I really hope it makes it go away. And other than that, these headlights are like low-key pretty scratched up a little bit. So if anything, like it'll fix the scratches too. And once I'm done with everything, these should look pretty good and almost brand new, I think. So we'll see how it goes. First and foremost, let's focus on these headlights. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what they look like just under regular lighting. You can kind of see they look a little bit worse now that we're inside and the headlights are off and we're not in the sun. It's mainly more prominent right here in the middle, but like I said, it goes all the way around. So what I'm gonna be using to polish the headlights and everything is gonna be this 3-inch polisher here. I'm gonna be using this polisher along with this cut and polish compound. So this is basically a one stage. I don't really need anything too extreme for these headlights. Like I said, if it is what I just think it is and it's just some residue and like a little bit of etching on the outside, this and the 3-inch polisher should take care of that. Alright, I zoomed in a little bit there for you. So I'm not sure if you guys can tell or not. It definitely helped. It's not 100% like the results I am looking for. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, but there is still like a little bit of a line. I'm gonna hit it one more time with a different compound, see how it goes, but it's looking pretty good. The lighting is kind of bad because of the glare, but kind of zooming in on the headlights is that for the most part successful. I mean, like, look at this headlight. Honestly, it's a lot more shiny, a lot more clear. And then come look at this one. So it definitely made a difference. It's more clear, the housing and everything looks better, scratches are gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this headlight and do the same thing. I'll come closer so you guys can see. So this headlight looks like it's in a little bit worse shape just because some of this residue that you guys see here, like this especially, this is not on the outside of the housing, it's actually on the inside. Comparing this to what it looked like just a second ago, it's like 80-90% better. So I'm really happy with this. Like I said kind of in the beginning, I wasn't expecting too much. This is pretty much the final product of using the polisher, and I am pretty happy with that. So let's turn on the lights and see what they look like here with the lights on. That is really, really nice. I'm actually really happy with the outcome of what this looks like. All right, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is waterless wash. I'm gonna get this thing looking nice and shiny, and then I'm also actually gonna put a silica spray on the headlights, and then I'm gonna work on getting the car cleaned up a little bit. All right, this is the silica spray I'm gonna be using. It's called Clutch from Shine Supply, and you apply it onto the area that you want to seal. So you let it sit for a good about 10 to 15 minutes for this, just to preserve the shine that it has. Probably already see it now. It is gonna have a bit of a hazier look to it. It's supposed to have that until you wipe it off when you're done.
I'm a doctor. I'm here to help you.
So one thing that's new on my car that Instagram, TikTok have seen, but I haven't actually revealed on YouTube, is I got a Starlight headliner installed. My newest sponsor, local to me, Luxor Customs. It is an automotive customs shop in Tempe. I'm gonna show you guys the headliner that they got for me. You know me with my lights, color changing headlights, and now I got a color changing headliner. Let me show you. All right, so for the headliner, all you have to do is turn on accessory mode. Here's the headliner, everybody. Let me actually go turn off the light. So this is the headliner, everybody. I do have it set right now on my own like twinkle and color changing setting. This is how I run it. If you guys like to vibe in your car, this is a game changer, honestly. Even when you're trying to look in, look, there you go. The only thing you can see is this headliner. So what I'm gonna do next, like I said, get this thing looking a little more shinier, a little more pretty. The rain last night did not do me good. Yeah, so let's get this thing cleaned up. Look what is back on. Long ago, back when my car was purple and we first moved here to Arizona, I was driving on the highway. I hit this huge ass pothole because I didn't know the roads, and this side fin literally bottomed out and flew off. So it's been forever. I should have ordered it like so long ago to put back on. But anyways, it's back, and it makes this whole diffuser looks so much better now. Like, it was really just like awkwardly sitting without the side fin. Happy to see that thing back on here. I actually totally forgot, because I got so sidetracked with cleaning the rest of the car, that I need to wipe off the silica spray that's on here. They look a lot better than how they did when they came in. The whole car looks good. I'm happy with this little quick detail today. Here's a direct sunlight shot. Today was definitely a success. Well, thank you for tuning into today's video. I know it wasn't too much, but it was definitely something I wanted to work on that I've been putting off for a while. All in all, really happy with how everything turned out today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.